Alright, welcome back. It's going to be for the Brinyte T28 Artemis. It does come in some really stiff packaging. I do like their packaging that they do in their boxes though. Just magnetic. Flips to open. Nice presentation. So you got your warranty card, and it gives you your specs and all that. Put in your information on your light, that way you remember everything. So it's got 3 different outputs because it's 3 different colors. 650 lumen on white, 140 lumen, this is all maximum, on red, and 130 lumen on green. It is variable adjustable. It does come with a little adjustment ring on the back there. I will say, listen to the threads. Yes, wow. Super smooth. And that's on removing the tail cap. The threads on the zoomable head, it's a little louder. So, let's get into the accessories here. It does come with 2 USB-C chargeable. These are 21700s. Okay, thought they were 26650s. So I'll turn this all the way down. What you do is you hold down the power button in the back until it comes on. It's in red mode. Let's take it to white. Zoom in a little bit. So that's as low as it goes. You turn it and it gets brighter. Don't worry, I'll show you everything outside in the dark. It does come with a mount to mount it to a scope, or looks like it'd probably fit a bull barrel. A remote pressure switch that has the power button and the plus and minus to turn up and turn down the intensity. 3 extra O-rings and a lanyard. Does not come with a holster of any sort. So let's go outside and show you the brightnesses. Alright, so the way you see it is the way I see it. Here's the T28 Artemis on white at the lowest setting and the most flood. Turn up the intensity. Let's take it back down. Let's do half zoom. And do full zoom. Alright, that's on white. Let's go to red. Half zoom. And full. The red is really intense. Alright, try green. The green does look brighter in person compared on video. Alright, let's take this thing at distance. We're just gonna go ahead and go straight to max zoom and slowly turn it up. You can see the beam. Alright, switch to red. Can't really see the beam in the air too much. And over to green. You can see the beam a little bit. Alright, let's go back down and get my final thoughts. Alright, so what do you think about the Artemis T28? I went ahead and stuck the pressure switch on here to show you what it's like. I'd like to put this on my rifle, but I brought up my long distance AR and the little clamp does not fit on the scope, and the barrel's too small. Like I said, the first part of the video, it'll fit a bull barrel more than likely. I'll show you what this is like. You got your minus, power, and plus. Turn on your power. It's going to be on white light. That's the lowest setting. Hold it down. Get brighter. And you just reach up and change your colors if you want. Turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. I think it's a great light for mounting to a rifle. Maybe putting it on a tripod if you want to light up a specific area, a specific color. You know, certain animals don't see certain colors, and I think it would work great. Unfortunately, I cannot mount it to this one. I do have the Brinyte PT18 on one of my carbines. I like it. Got the little pressure switch on it. So, I'll leave a link below to where you can find this on Amazon. I think it's a great light. I'll post some pictures of the beam shots. And we'll be seeing you.